I make the bed every morning. I make the bed every morning. I am sweeping the floors. I am sweeping the floors. She prepares breakfast for the family every morning. She prepares breakfast for the family every morning. He vacuums the living room carpet. He vacuums the living room carpet. I do the laundry on weekends. I do the laundry on weekends. I water the plants every day. I water the plants every day. I am doing the dishes after dinner. I am doing the dishes after dinner. I am folding the laundry and putting it away. I am folding the laundry and putting it away. I am replacing the garbage bags in the bins. I am replacing the garbage bags in the bins. I am dusting off picture frames. I am dusting off picture frames. I am boiling milk for tea. I am boiling milk for tea. He refills the soap dispensers when they are low. He refills the soap dispensers when they are low. Don't forget to water the plants today. Don't forget to water the plants today. He cleans and maintains the water purifier. He cleans and maintains the water purifier. I iron the clothes every Sunday. I iron the clothes every Sunday. He does the ceiling fans once a month. He does the ceiling fans once a month. They feed the pets every morning and evening. They feed the pets every morning and evening. Please help in sorting out the groceries. Please help in sorting out the groceries. It's time to change the bed sheets. It's time to change the bed sheets. She sweeps the kitchen floor. She sweeps the kitchen floor. He organized the pantry and cupboards. He organized the pantry and cupboards. He washes the car on the weekends. He washes the car on the weekends. I declutter the desk. I declutter the desk. She disinfects the countertops. She disinfects the countertops. We rake the leaves. We rake the leaves. They tidy the bookshelves. They tidy the bookshelves. They chop the vegetables. They chop the vegetables. She wipes the light switches. She wipes the light switches. They organize the pantry. They organize the pantry. He fixed the broken shelf. He fixed the broken shelf. Let's arrange the cushions on the sofa. Let's arrange the cushions on the sofa. I make sure all the doors and windows are locked before bedtime. I make sure all the doors and windows are locked before bedtime. She washes the bathroom rugs. She washes the bathroom rugs. I wipe down the appliances in the kitchen. I wipe down the appliances in the kitchen. I clean the computer keyboard and mouse. I clean the computer keyboard and mouse. She cleans the refrigerator every month. She cleans the refrigerator every month. Please grind the masalas for the curry. Please grind the masalas for the curry. Please fold the dried clothes and put them away. Please fold the dried clothes and put them away. I scrub the kitchen sink after washing dishes. I scrub the kitchen sink after washing dishes. I clean the inside of the washing machine. I clean the inside of the washing machine. He organizes the closet. He organizes the closet. I clean the mirrors. I clean the mirrors. I wash the curtains. I wash the curtains. She cleans the coffee maker. She cleans the coffee maker. I mop the entryway. I mop the entryway. She washes the bathroom tiles. She washes the bathroom tiles. They organize the basement. They organize the basement. He dusts the TV screen. He dusts the TV screen. He washes the pillows. He washes the pillows. He cleans the toaster. He cleans the toaster. They clean the bike. They clean the bike. I clean the stove burners. I clean the stove burners. I mop the balcony. I mop the balcony. He cleans the mattress. He cleans the mattress. They organize the shoe rack. They organize the shoe rack. She does the furniture. She does the furniture. He waters the indoor plants. He waters the indoor plants. She vacuums under the furniture. She vacuums under the furniture.